Yes, this is why I also have proposed to discuss and put forward, ideas. What are our requests for Russia? Because it's clear that in these negotiations there are a lot of concessions made on the Ukrainian side, but none on the Russian side. And it's also clear that there are also asks for Europe. Now, what is important is that we are not giving, upfront approval to the negotiations that are going on when there are requests for Europe. And that is to be very certain, very clear on this, that we are not giving our consent upfront without negotiation. So that's why we need to be at the table. But we also have asks for Russia if we are at that table. And that's why we also discuss this today. There are issues that are mirroring the requests that are already on the table for Ukraine. They should be also on the Russian side. And there are also issues that concern European security architecture, where, we clearly also have requests for Russia in order to have a sustainable and long-term peace. We are saying this very often, that, the peace has to be sustainable and long-term, but we are not really, putting the finger on it. What does it mean? It means that Russia is not attacking neighboring countries, and how we can live with such neighbor in the future, and that's why it's important that Russia also takes concessions. Thank you.